Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Today in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing for the new tripod that I have bought from Amazon, which is Amazon Basic 60-inch tripod. Now I have been using one of my old tripod that I have bought 2 years back, if I remember. That is the Benro T600EX. Now if you go to my channel, you would be able to find that unboxing of the tripod. Otherwise I would leave a card here so that you can go ahead and check that video as well. Let me show you that tripod and why I'm not able to use that tripod anymore in a minute. So guys, this is the tripod itself. As you can see, this is the Benro T600EX model. This tripod have been surviving a very long time, and I've been making like all 50-60 videos with the help of this tripod. The reason why I'm not able to use this tripod anymore is this. As you can see, this leg of this tripod, it's like the lock is kind of broken, so I'm not able to use it anymore. So yeah, so this is the reason. So I'm not able to put that tripod on a surface and not able to record the video. So this is why I had to go for a new tripod. So in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the tripod that we have bought, and also I've checked the online reviews. So like within 1500 rupees in India, I thought this would be the best tripod. Good things about this tripod. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And also, before we go ahead and start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe. Go ahead and click the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out any of the videos that I upload on my channel. Now with that being said, let's get right into the video. Hi, so guys, this is the box that I've got from Amazon. It's quite a big box. Sorry guys if the audio is not clear, because I am recording this video with the front facing camera of my smartphone, and also I don't have an external mic as of now, so I'm just shooting the audio which is coming right out of the phone. So bear with me if the audio is bad. So I'm just gonna have to lean a little back so that I can fit all this tripod to the screen. So if the audio is bad, sorry guys. So this is the box itself. So as you can see, this is a packed box, and this is the box which I got from Amazon. Also, I will be leaving the link in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Also, I've got a knife here. The box itself, so bear with me guys, I'm just gonna unbox this and let's make this fast. So let me go ahead and unbox this tripod guys. So within this cardboard box, we also been provided with a black box, as you can see here. So this is the black box within which the tripod comes in. If you're traveling with this tripod, then you can go ahead and carry your tripod with this bag. So let me go ahead and unbox it and let's see. Okay, so we also have a plastic cover, and also guys, this is the tripod itself and this is how it looks. Let me just crack it. Okay, so this is my tripod. I'm so happy with the tripod. The first thing and the first looks, it looks amazing. And also here is the Amazon logo, so it says that Amazon Basic, as you can see on the screen. So this is the Amazon Basic logo, and this is one of the Amazon Basic products, and this is the tripod itself, as you can see. So I'm just gonna lean a little back so that I can show you the full tripod, because this tripod is actually a little bit tall, so I'm just gonna have to lean a little back. Yeah. So yeah, I'm sure the audio is coming right out of the phone. You're able to hear the audio. So this is the tripod, and also as you can see, there are legs that you can go ahead and stretch, and also these things which actually goes to the surface. This is actually quite flexible. So while you put the tripod on the surface, it can actually, if the surface is not even, so this tripod also can blend with it. Let me first go ahead and stretch the tripod and let me show you. So this is the tripod. Not sure whether you guys are able to see how long this tripod is. So this is the tripod itself. And also once you know your height, then you can go ahead and put this locks so that the tripod gets locked at a certain height. So let me go ahead and put the locks, and let me show you how it looks if I put it on the surface. And also there's a load balancing hook from here so that you can put your camera upside down. So that's there. And also let me show you that in this tripod we get this handle. So normally, okay, so let me loosen up the screw a little bit. So this is quite tight. So here you have a smartphone or camera platform. On here basically you put the phone, DSLR or whatever recording device you have. This is known as the platform, and also you can tilt this platform a little bit, so if you want to shoot it in an angle, so you can do that as well. Also we have been given this screw so that we can tighten up and loosen up the platform according to our choice. Let me show you how it works. So this is how the tripod looks, guys. And here basically we put our smartphone or DSLRs, whatever we have, and then we can pan around with this thing. And also let me show you, let me just loosen up a little bit. Also you have clutch to hold the tripod over here, so if you're like shooting like this, and you can like put your manual control, and for a good support they have also provided a clutch. Hey guys, a close-up look to the tripod. So this is how the tripod looks. As you can see, this is the head of the tripod. I'm just recording this video alone, guys, so bear with me. So this is the head of the tripod, and this is quite flexible. As you can see, you can move around and also can fix. Once you put the camera to the tripod, you can fix the platform so it doesn't move along. So now going down, you have a balancing load here. So once you put your camera and everything over here, so you can check whether the load is fine, so whether you should put more load to the tripod or not. So for that thing is there. And coming down, we have 3 legs, and also as I've said earlier in this video, we have a clutch so that we can hold the tripod while we're shooting outdoors, so stuff like that. And coming down, we have all these 3 legs, which is stretched out at its max, and have earlier stretched the tripod out. So these are all the legs, and this is hooks. So if you want to put your camera upside down, you can go ahead and do that. And this is the main station or the base from which the 3 legs are going out. And also as you can see, this is the Amazon basic logo. So coming down, yeah, as I've shown you, this is the 3 of the legs of the tripod, and also there is one more lock to all these legs. So if you don't want this much of height, you can go ahead and adjust the height according to you. So it's a very good tripod. And also I've seen the reviews in the Amazon that you can put not only on your smartphone, you can also put your DSLRs and all. So this tripod would be able to hold it. And also while we are showing you this tripod, let me also grab my older tripod and let me show you the difference between these two. So this is my old tripod. This is the Benro T600EX, on which I used to shoot videos, and since one of the leg is broken, I'm not able to shoot videos anymore. So that's why the new tripod, guys. So this is the same thing. I love this tripod, man. This tripod has served me for like well over 1.5 years. And also this is not kind of an advanced tripod. As you're able to see, there's no hook to put your camera upside down at the bottom of the tripod, and also some of the advanced features are not present in this tripod, which is there on the Amazon basic one. So if you're starting out on YouTube, I would suggest you go ahead and buy this tripod, because this is on a budget, guys. I got this tripod around 1,300 Indian rupees. So this is a very good tripod on a budget, and also the build quality looks solid actually. So one of the main important things while you're buying a tripod has to be the build quality, because it has to hold your DSLR. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So this is the new tripod. From now onwards, if I have to shoot, I'm not going to use my old tripod, and also not going to use the Gorilla Pod if it is not important, and if at all I'm not vlogging. So this is going to be my new tripod. From now onwards, I will be recording with this tripod. Any which ways, if you have liked the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, as I've said earlier, if you are not part of a family, go ahead and click that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell in case if I upload any videos, you don't miss out on them. So then again, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed all along. So see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.